What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are here in Austin, Texas, celebrating Cade's 6th birthday.
Which is nuts.
It's hard to believe that he's 6 years old, and actually come September, he will have lived on the road half of his life, which is kind of crazy. But we came to Austin because we found a really cool experience for his birthday, and we went to an indoor water park.
Which was an absolute blast. They had some insane slides in this place that we've never seen at any other kind of water park before.
And as you can imagine, for the birthday boy, he gets to pick all his meals, and one of his favorite meals is a sausage roll. And we're spicing it up a little bit, doing it a little bit differently today for you, but this is one of our favorite meals. This is Cade's absolute favorite meals, and today we are gonna make for you a sausage breakfast roll.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. If you followed us for a while, you know that we love breakfast, and we use our breakfast meals for lunch, for dinner, and obviously for breakfast.
It's a good day for breakfast.
Yeah, so this sausage roll we have had so many times. It's Cade's favorite, and to get us started, you might guess we need to get the sausage on the griddle. While our sausage is cooking, I am gonna get our eggs ready. We're gonna be making scrambled eggs here that's gonna get combined with all of our ingredients for our breakfast roll. To do that, we are also gonna add a little bit of water just to fluff up our eggs a little bit.
The eggs don't need nearly as long as the sausage does, so we're gonna toss the sausage and get it almost fully browned before we put the eggs on the griddle. Right, the sausage is just about done.
And it smells delicious.
Yeah, it smells amazing. So I'm gonna move that to the side of the griddle, clear off some of that excess grease on the other side so we can get our eggs down. See, the eggs don't take long at all to cook. So now that they're done, I'm gonna mix the sausage and the eggs together.
Don't forget the cheese.
And while we're doing that, we'll sprinkle on the cheese to get that mixed in too.
It up again.
Yeah.
All right, next up, we are going to get our puff pastry rolled out. If you've seen some of our other cooks, you know we love to cook with dough or pastry dough or pie crust. And we do not carry a dough roller with us. So I use any kind of like rounded jar we have in the pantry or refrigerator to roll out our dough, and it seems to work just fine. We're gonna try and split our sausage, egg, and cheese mixture into two because I have two puff pastry rolls, and we're just gonna put the mixture right down the middle, and then, as easy as it sounds, roll it up.
The hard part comes when it's time to put the roll on the griddle and not let it fall apart.
All right, so just roll this over. We're gonna tuck each end under, just kind of press our edges. Then I also have a little bit of melted butter, and we are just gonna coat this top and side of our breakfast roll, which is gonna give it a really nice flaky, crispy exterior. And then we'll just butter the top. So that's ready when we flip it over to the other side. And now we're gonna get our second roll going. And then we'll just butter the top.
Now that we've got both of our breakfast rolls down on the griddle, I'm gonna turn the heat down to low and let them cook low and slow until they're ready to flip. Rolls have been cooking for about 6 or 7 minutes now. They're nice and golden brown, so it's time to flip them. All right, our breakfast rolls just came off the griddle and they smell fantastic. Obviously the surfaces that were on the griddle got a nice crust on them. Ooh, it's hot. but the sides got that nice, puffy, crispy texture to them because we buttered them, and it looks amazing. So now that we got it sliced up, we're gonna bring the birthday boy out and give it a try. Does it look good? I'm pretty excited for it.
Dive in.
I'm gonna dress mine up with a little hot sauce.
Yeah, we didn't bring any knives out. Gotta use our strength. Might be hot. That is delicious. Oh, it's so good. The way that the
pastry is so good.
It's different on the griddle in a really good way.
Yep.
I really love how that tastes.
Because the way we learned how to make this was in the oven by baking it. And typically, I guess that's how you'd use this pastry. But obviously, we like to adapt things to our griddle. And you're right, it gives it a little bit of a different texture, a little bit of a different flavor. But it's really, really good. And this is kind of like, take your favorite sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit and just like crank it up to 11.
Yeah,
that's what you got right here.
It. What do you think? Your favorite still?
Good birthday meal? All right. Well, thank you guys for watching once again. We always appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and hit the bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Betty, Bruce, Nate, CJ, Todd, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is the birthday boy.
How old are you?
6.
Yeah.
6. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.